So hello everyone, I'm Rana Amin, the manager and consultant at Corplex. So today I have very important information for you if you're still struggling to open your corporate bank account in Dubai. This video is for the designated non-financial businesses and professions. Who do we mean by DNFBPs? Usually they are the corporate services providers, trusts, real estate agents and brokers, lawyers, notaries, any legal professionals and independent accountants, dealers in precious metals and precious stones. So this video is for you. If you're still struggling to open your corporate bank account after you got your license, you need to be aware that banks now are implementing strict rules related to the corporate bank account opening. If you are any of the designated non-financial businesses and professions, which we just mentioned now, you need to make sure that you register your company for Go AML platform and also appoint compliance officer in your company and to have AML policy for your company. These are now mandatory requirements in order to open your corporate bank account. For sure, this is additional requirements to the usual general requirements requested by the bank. However, because you are the DNFBP, you must and you have to do these additional steps to be able to open your corporate bank account easily. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out.